Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get huge credit limit increase from Chase. So let's get started. Whether you're aiming for a bigger limit for those big purchases or just want more flexibility, this guide will walk you through the steps to boost your Chase credit limit. So now let's get on the step-by-step guide on how you can get a huge credit limit from Chase. So number one would be to understand Chase's criteria. So before you request a limit increase, it's important to understand what Chase is looking for. They consider factors like your credit score, income payment history, and overall usage of the card. Ensure that you have a good track record with on-time payments and that your credit utilization is low. If your credit score has improved since you first got the card, your chances of getting a higher limit are much better. And then number two would be to use your card regularly. So just like I said, one of the keys to getting a huge credit limit from Chase is to look for how often you use your card. If you're consistently making purchases and paying them off, it shows that you're a responsible person with your card. And just to make sure not to max out your card regularly, keeping your usage with 10 to 30% of your limit is ideal. Number three would be to update your income information. If your income has increased since you first applied for your Chase card, it's time to let them know. You can update your income directly through the Chase app or website. You just need to log in to Chase account, and then a higher income can justify a higher credit limit, which would really boost your chances of getting approved for a huge credit limit increase. And now, after you have logged in into your account here on Chase, it's time to proceed to step number 4, which is to request the increase. So now it's actually time to request the increase. Log into your Chase account online or through the app, and then all you have to do from there, you can submit your request. Be ready to provide any necessary information like your updated income or reasons for increase. And then as you can see right here in the article of Chase on how to request credit limit increase, you can do it by making a request online. So you can sign into your account and submit a request, or you can just call your credit card company. The back of your card has a customer service number you can call and learn if you're eligible for an increased limit. And now, speaking of customer service, step number 5 would be to call the Chase customer service. So if you're aiming for a significant increase or if you want to make a stronger case, consider calling Chase customer service directly. Politely explain why you need the increase. Maybe you have some big upcoming expenses or your financial situation has changed. Sometimes speaking with a representative can give you a better chance of approval. And just like I said earlier, you could also call the customer service number through the back of your card. We have the number there. So now let me present to you an alternative method, which is to open a new Chase card. So another way to increase your available credit is to apply for a new Chase card. And if you're eligible, this not only adds to your total available credit, but also gives you access to any welcome bonuses or rewards that the new card offers. Just remember that opening a new card can have a temporary impact on your credit score due to its hard inquiry. And now you can also consider waiting for automatic increases because Chase occasionally offers automatic credit limit increase to customers who have demonstrated responsible usage over time. If you're in no rush, simply use your credit card wisely, and paying on time might result in an increase without having to request one. And that's basically how you can get a huge credit limit from Chase. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.